going. Okay, so let's see here. Share. All right, so let's start with this. I don't know. Okay, maybe guys. There we go. Okay, so any idea how we want to start this one? Oh, nope. We don't want to start with that one.
Okay, so I have the PLC meeting report.
Sorry. Start with number 1.
I have the meeting report pulled up.
Okay, yeah. No, yeah. Sorry. I'm trying to
so the group name, do we have to put like a fancy name?
She said that we could just do group 1, group 2, or whatever name we decide to.
Only one person has to turn it in, or turn in the paper report part. So,
what? I'm doing homework. Go over there.
What are you doing?
I'm doing homework.
It's up to him. To him?
To her.
To her?
Yes.
I don't care what we name it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't care either. I literally do not care.
Jason. Group members in attendance and rows. Who will be the facilitator? I don't know what that means.
Is that the person who turns in the stuff? Because that can definitely be you since you're filling out the report thingy.
Yes.
Well, the facilitator, recorder, editor, and a reporter.
So I can be the recorder since I'm recording it on this Zoom thingy.
Okay.
So I can be the reporter.
And who's this, or what's your name?
Caitlin. My name's Caitlin.
Caitlin. Okay.
Yeah.
And editor will be, who wants to be the editor?
What is the editor?
Yeah, what does the editor do?
What does that job entail?
I don't know.
To me, it sounds like we edit things.
I guess I'll just put random names. I'll be the facilitator, edit. So Caitlin, recorder.
Yes.
I can be the editor. I don't care.
Is editor the person that is editing the like the order of operations?
Arkansas. We are inside of 30 minutes.
You know what I mean? Is that
I
have no idea. I looked at the rubric thing, but I did not look at it. Let's see if I can pull it up. Yep. Oh, that's wrong class.
I'm not seeing specifically where it says what each one is. I've done a PLC group before, but I didn't have to do we weren't assigned like specific jobs like this. The only job that we had was one person like turning it. I'm not quite sure what each role is. I think the reporter is the person who turns it in. And I guess the facilitator is like the person who, I think it's like the person who reached out to like try to get the group together.
Then that would be me.
Okay, so Savannah is the facilitator, I suppose. Yeah, so Savannah's the facilitator. And
you would be the recorder.
So I turn it in and I record. Right? Is that what you said?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
So I'll be the reporter, right? Since I'm filling out this report.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Jasmyn. Okay.
So the reporter is the person who turns in our stuff, right?
Yes. Trying to. So we just figuring out these order of operations. So we have to drag and drop.
I actually didn't know if we had to work out them together or individually, so I did the first one already.
I feel like we could do them together. Let's see. Oh, this is. Oh, I haven't done order of operations in a while. So the total is.
How is the screen sharing pulling up for y'all? Is it like taking up your whole screen, or is it like?
Yeah, and I don't know how we can like. I don't know.
No, I can move it like the thingies.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
there you go.
Yeah, no, I can
Yeah.
move it whenever
That
y'all
looks
tell me where
good.
you want
Yeah,
to.
that would go.
The 30 would go. It would be parentheses.
Like, okay, so open parentheses first.
And then
Okay.
30
Alrighty.
minus 3.
Minus 3. And then we
And-
want to close those parentheses.
Yes.
Okay. Dagnabbit. There we go. And then
Divide.
yeah, divide.
Divide by 3. So yeah.
And then the sum of all that's going to be 9. Do we want to double check that work?
Yes.
Yeah.
I had a calculator, but I don't know where it went.
All right. I'm pretty sure that's 39 times 27 divided by 3 is 9.
Yes, right.
Yes.
All right. So check. Let's go to the next one. So
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure on this one, it's going to be like, I did this one as well on my own because I wasn't sure either. And so I thought it was like, 2 sets of parentheses. I thought there was supposed to be 2 sets of parentheses.
Yeah. 'Cause
And it was like a, distributed thing.
you could do like 9 plus 2, or not plus 2, my bad, I can't count. 8 plus 2. I don't know where the 9 comes in there.
This is one of the ones that was a lot of them. I had to really think it through as to like.
I know. I'm thinking like, where does the 9 come in at?
So the way that like I figured it out was the only way that I could figure it out is it was 2 sets of parentheses and then you had a division in the middle.
Yeah.
And then you had a plus on one side and a division on the other, and then you did the distributive,
That sounds like that would work for me.
Yeah, and that's how you got 10. But there's only one set of parentheses, but I don't know.
Yeah, could you copy and paste them maybe?
I mean, like, yeah, I could copy and paste them. I don't know if that's.
I don't know if okay, maybe.
Miss Ma'am, why is this not going to the front? Hello?
Okay, well. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Because if we're supposed to use all the boxes,
Yeah. So there is what? 3, 6, 9. There's 9 boxes, and there's 3, 6, 9 freaking boxes.
every single one.
Correct. And
I'm trying to think. I don't know.
That's the only way that I could figure it out. So
we said it. Uh-oh. Moving on. I don't know. I'm trying to think.
To continue. We're going to the next one. All right. So let's see.
We'll come back later.
Who knows? Anybody got any ideas on how to start this one? I don't think any kind of parentheses goes first.
No, I feel like the parentheses are either going to be in the middle or at the end. I think so. Let me see.
Do we have to use up all the orange boxes?
I think so.
Yeah, I think you do have to use all the
Yeah, I
ones.
think you
No,
have to use
it's
them all.
definitely, yeah. Well, I don't know which, like, where it's going to go, but it's definitely going to be like negative 40 divided by 5 somewhere, because that equals negative 8. So I don't know if that should be at the end or
It would have
we only have, we have a division sign and then 2 subtraction signs. So I don't really, I'm not sure how or what this is supposed to look like. Can we, let's use, I would, math way, I'm just kidding. Go to math. I don't know.
I didn't even know that was
a
a thing. So on the Zoom thing, she said something about
yeah.
Mathway, and I was like, now hold on a second. You said what now?
I've used photo math, but like if you for Mathway, if you want to go like in debt, you have to pay for it. But I don't know. Definitely negative 40 divided by 5 is somewhere. I feel like that might. I don't know if that. Oh, maybe if they won't go, just put it underneath. Since maybe I don't know what happened.
What?
They said no, thank you.
Now why?
I wonder when you hit the paste button if it. I don't know. I really don't know.
I don't know either. Okay, so let me just, pretend. Okay. So, I don't really know.
I don't
Why are
either.
you being like that?
It's like a. So let's see. Trying to decide where the 3 and the 4 come in at.
I wish there was a multiplication symbol.
That's what I was thinking. I wish there was like
Yeah.
multiple choice and we could click the multiple choice. Because this is making my
I
brain.
know.
Or what if we put a number in the parentheses, just a number by itself? That way we can like multiply it with the other numbers. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
So what number would you think we would need to put by itself in the parentheses?
I don't know. I'm trying to do it on paper.
I'm just
But I
gonna
don't
I'm trying to do the same thing. I'm trying to work it out on paper.
Okay, let's see. Let's do that.
I'm just gonna put it underneath the boxes because those boxes are really making me mad. Okay.
5 times 4, 4 times 3, 3 times 5. Yo, I just went blank on what 5 times 3 was. Won't help me.
5 times 3 is 15.
Yo, rough.
Okay, so
It's
what
8.
number do we think we should put by itself in the parentheses?
Well, I've done 5 in parentheses times 4, and then I've done 4 in parentheses times 3, and 3 in parentheses times 5. But I keep forgetting about negative 40.
Yeah, she's a big girl and she's gonna have to go.
I know. That's a lot.
Yeah.
But
And
I
for
don't know,
some
maybe
reason,
we
I
need
think
to
she's
do
gonna
negative.
be ahead of the game. She's gonna have to be at the front.
How would it be? Would it still be negative 8 if we did parentheses negative 40 times 5? Or I mean divided by, well, no, that'd be multiplication. Never mind, we can't do that. I don't know. Let me get my
She's
calculator out.
so negative 40 is gonna have to be divided up because
Yeah, because there ain't no
it's
way.
way too big to be multiplied by anything for it to still come out negative 8.
Y'all get the.
There's a lot of minuses in there.
Yeah.
I know.
So
I feel
they're
like
gonna have to
somewhere if you
up.
do, we would probably have to do the 2 negatives to where they equal a positive somewhere.
Negative 40.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, because okay.
And so we're gonna have to do, I think, and negative 40, 3 doesn't go into negative 40 evenly, and and negative 8 doesn't come as a decimal. So we're gonna have to put that the 5 is gonna have to go with negative 40.
So I just did it in my calculator. I did parentheses negative 40 parentheses divided by 5, and I got negative 8. So I don't know.
All right.
Is that gonna need to go?
I think those go together. I think this is going to go in the parentheses together.
Okay, let's
And I
do
think
that.
I pasted this parentheses right here from the parentheses from
Okay.
the other thing. So we're just gonna have to delete that.
So maybe
But-
it's like negative. Maybe it's like parentheses -40 divided by 5 parentheses minus. I don't know. Let's see.
Minus, we can do like -4
Or
minus 3.
okay. Well,
I don't know.
that equals -15. So
This right here equals -15.
yes. Let me
Okay,
see if we can do it. What if we just did
let's
negative
swap
40?
these.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Divided by 5 minus 3 minus 4. It's still -15. So I think we're gonna have to
Duh,
switch up.
Caitlin. So let's
okay.
switch up. Okay, so guys, now who is on here messing me up? 4 will go
It's
into
faster.
40. 4 goes into 40.
Yes.
So let's switch.
Yeah.
to-
So -40.
And that
Negative
would be
Okay, let's
negative
try
10.
that.
10. So -10 minus 3 minus 5.
is 13.
How much is
Well, that's -18.
Okay.
What if?
Hmm.
What if you? Oh, wait. Hold on. I need to think about this. Hold on. -40 divided by
What?
3 minus 5. Okay. Close parentheses.
Okay, hold on. Bethany, you go back there and take your picture.
So, okay. Let me go on my, I'm going to go on Blackboard and make sure I have, with all this jumping around, I'm going to make sure that this is the
Minus.
right boxes on
Okay,
it.
so -40 divided by 4. Oh, I already did that.
Let's make sure that we got the right boxes and I don't have any of the wrong boxes on here. Okay, we got, this is number 3. Yeah, there's 2 minuses. 3, 5, 4, -40, a division. Yep, okay, well.
What if we put negative? What if we put -40 like somewhere at the back or like I don't know.
All right.
I'm trying to think if we did 5 minus 4 minus 3 divided by.
Dang.
Oh, no,
Oh my
that-
goodness. Hold on. I got a +8, but I didn't get a negative.
Okay, let's see. Maybe if we did parentheses 5 divided by -40 parentheses minus 3 minus 4. No, that is that -10.125. That is nowhere near a -8.
Okay.
Do we have to use all of the like symbols and stuff?
I think
Oh.
so.
I think
Oh,
so.
man.
I think that's the challenge part of it, you know. All right, so let's see here. Let's start from the bottom. This is actually really hard. And
I
we
got
are,
a +8. Dang it.
I got a +8 too.
Because I did -40 divided by 5 parentheses 3 minus 4 and I got a +8.
no.
I
trying
got
to figure out-
+8 by doing -40 and 4 minus 3 minus 5, and I got it.
And then I switched it, maybe thinking like 5 divided by -40, but that got 0.125. This, we may not, I don't know if we're going to be able to get a negative. I mean, we've tried it so many different ways and just, I don't know.
So maybe, okay, so how did y'all get a +8? Tell me one more time.
So I did -40 divided by 5, parentheses 3 minus 4, and then close the parentheses.
Parentheses 3 minus 4, close the parentheses.
Yeah. We got a +8. So I'm trying to decide maybe if we did like 40
Did you
divided
use
by.
both of the negative signs?
No.
What if
I
we
only
switch
used
the 4 and
Oh,
the
Maybe
3?
that is maybe that's the issue is
Oh, we need, okay, let me try that. Negative. I
I
completely
did
forgot about the other negative. So
I
that
did
zero.
negative 40 divided by 4 minus 3 minus 5, and that's how I got my positive 8.
Yeah, we could do it my way and the way you do. Okay. Negative 40. This is
so okay, you said negative 40
Mm-hmm. Divided
minus
by 4.
divided by 4.
4. But those two are in the parentheses.
Okay,
I'm
those are
sorry.
in the parentheses. Let's put them in the parentheses. All right. And then
And minus 3 minus 5.
minus 3 minus 5. Okay.
And that's how I got positive 8, because that would be negative 10 in the parentheses minus 3, which would be negative 13, then minus 5 equals the 8.
Okay, so what if we put those parentheses around the 3 minus 5 and well, I guess that really wouldn't make sense because you'd have to distribute that negative sign into the parentheses and it would just make it a 3 plus 5 and it would be a positive 8 still, I guess.
Well,
Oh,
wouldn't
no,
it be like
because
negative 40 divided by 4 is negative 10, right?
Yes,
yes,
So
and
then it would be
both.
negative 10 minus 3 minus
That's
5.
negative, which would be negative 10 minus negative 3.
Okay,
Wait, so
negative,
that would, so that might be, okay,
so negative 40 divided by 4 is negative 10.
minus 5.
that's negative 18.
3
Yeah,
minus
negative
5. Negative 18.
3.
We might just I don't know. Maybe this. I mean, there's no possible way that I don't know. What if I don't know? Let's see if we can do negative 40 divided by negative 4 minus 3 minus 5. Oh, well, that doesn't work.
Negative 4.
Okay, so let's try moving these
4.
parentheses. Those don't necessarily have to be around this part of the equation.
Don't to say no. Maybe
Let's try using let's do minus
Negative 40.
let's try
Negative 10.
oh my god.
I don't know.
Negative 40.
No, 'cause that would just
Negative
make
40 divided by
I don't know. We said this was positive 8 like this, right?
Negative 40 divided by 4 with the closed parentheses.
I got it.
then-
Okay, that's right. So I just did it. Negative 40 divided by 4 minus 3 minus 5 in parentheses equals negative 8. I don't know how y'all can see my calculator, but I just did it.
Negative
Just kept
40.
divided by 4 minus parentheses 3 minus 5 and then close the parentheses. And it's negative 8.
Okay, so negative.
All right, so this is the
3
answer.
minus 5,
That's right.
which would be negative.
I literally have been trying. I was doing like negative 40 divided by 4 minus 5 divided
Because
by
this is negative 2. I mean, this is just 2. 3 minus 5 is 2 right here.
Yeah.
And then this is, yeah, that is negative 8 because 3
yes,
minus 5
we
is
are
2.
correct. Oh, look at us go. I was just top and doing like different combinations, and it popped up, and I was like, oh my god.
No,
My-
hold on. Pause. 'Cause this is +2.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
turns
that's
into -2, so that would be -10, -2,
minus
12.
8.
So it doesn't need to be 5 minus 3.
Let's try that. Okay, so -40 divided by 4.
Because that would turn it into a +2, and then it would be -2 plus +2 would be -8.
I
I think
Because-
this will work.
minus 3.
Right?
-5 minus 3 would be +8. And then -40 divided by 4 is -10. I could be wrong, but I'm still not getting -8.
On this one,
Yeah, I'm still not getting it.
I don't have my stupid calculator up here. I only have my phone, so I can't do like the parentheses crap.
The one that we have on the screen is, are we trying to figure out another way to do, I don't know.
Because on the one that is negative, wait, what's on the screen? Divided by 4 minus 3 minus 5. So that's -3.
I got
wait.
-8.
Okay, hold on.
Let's see if I can, okay.
Okay, that's
Oh.
Okay. Here we go again.
okay. Did get it. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry.
All right, so we're good on that one.
Yes.
Okay,
Do
perfect.
we want to go back? Okay. We want to.
Let's go back to this one that it made me.
Okay.
It's an easier one, I think. So
I think we're overthinking it.
we're probably way overthinking everything.
It's my middle name. I overthink everything in my life.
Me too.
So
Same.
this right here supposed to equal 10. What do we want to do with this one? Do we want to? I mean, we have positive, negative, a division. It's probably going to be kind of like that next one that we just did.
Gonna take it a while.
Another piece of paper because I already my other one is full from scratching.
Yes. I'm trying to think. I don't know.
Let's see.
I'm betting that division is either going to be at the front or the
divided by
back.
2. Yeah. Well, there's no negatives in this one, so.
No, there's just a positive and a negative. So it's gonna look similar to that one we just did, but it's just a little different. There's not as big of a number to divide by.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be 2 going into running out of time. Upgrade now. Let me upgrade.
She said, hold on. Minus 9 plus 8 divided by 6. That does not work.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start it like we always do. We're going to do it the right way. We're going to bring the dessert before your rating. Miss Arkansas High School Rodeo Queen, Miss Reddy Harper.
This is making me, okay, so positive 9.
Boy, they know how to get you, don't they?
They probably were like, yeah.
Tarea. Estoy haciendo tarea. No está. No está. Con su pa.
on, man.
Thank God has shared his grace. With this group of cowboys and cowgirls across the United States. And tonight it's all about the cowboys and it's all about the cowgirls. As you see,
Wolfen's or something.
Oh, I have an account. Okay.
She represents all the cowboys and all the cowgirls.
He's so cool.
From New York to Los Angeles, California, and from the Panhandle of Florida to Alaska and the land of the midnight sun. It is the greatest country in all the world, and the greatest athletes in all the world, the cowboy and the cowgirl of the American West. Would you put your hands together for all our cowboys and our cowgirls on this Friday night?
This is aggravating me. What account am I phoning into right now? I don't even know. I think I have 2 different accounts.
If you have not, would you stand with us? Would you remove those Stetsons, those American hats, the resistance, and the ball caps? As we give this microphone to one of our own, a cowgirl from Bentonville, Arkansas. Ladies and gentlemen, with
Sorry, guys.
would you welcome to the microphone, Miss
her.
Kylie Joe Casper?
Please bow your heads. Dear
Oh,
Heavenly
crap.
Father,
That's
we
not what I'm
thank you
trying to
for
look
being
at.
able to gather in this arena and not hide our faith but project it for all to hear. Lord, we don't ask for any special favors. We ask only that you let us compete in this arena as a live stream. And when we do take that last ride that is inevitable for all of us to make to that place up there, Lord, that you will open the gates and you'll tell us as we ride in that our entries have been paid. And these things we ask. Amen.
And everybody said amen and amen as we take the Lord before. And the most beautiful song that has ever been written. Put your right hand. Put your right hand across your heart. We, ladies and gentlemen, are going to our national anthem.
Okay.
Okay, well, if we get disconnected, we'll just have to, like, literally just, no, I'm not doing that. Hold on a second. Monthly.
If needed, we could, if the thing cuts off, we could,
Just get right back on.
yeah.
I don't know why this thing is acting like I don't have an account when I literally do. I'm literally on it. Literally on it.
Who's in front of him?
Yeah, we'll just get back on it whenever it,
I'm sorry if I seem a little out of it. I'm at my brother's rodeo finals, so I'm trying to pay attention to both. But I did 9 divided by 2, parentheses 8 plus -6, and got 9. That's not what we needed, but to start.
okay, let me get back to where's the meeting. Where is the meeting? Where is the meeting? How do I go back to the screen share? Okay, share. Do y'all see the PowerPoint or no?
I'm literally struggling to figure out these problems. And usually I'm so good at math, but I'm struggling with these.
If brother don't win, I might be mad. Okay.
I'm getting so
Joe
aggravated
is
right now.
coming.
I don't even know what's going on with my thing. But it says we have 3 minutes left. So let me go ahead and end this one and let's start another Zoom. So I'm gonna
Okay.
stop this recording and then I'm gonna see if I can like redo this Zoom thing. Okay. Before we start this problem. Okay. All right.
All
Let me
right.
stop the recording and then okay, hold on.